Mahjong YouTube! I'm Heelong Gang.
And I'm Eric Vu.
And we're here at the 2015 Friendship Games.
Hosted by UCLA.
That's right.
Heelong and I are both really excited to be out here today.
There's over 120 students and alumni representing all different schools and Hmong organizations from all over California. Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Hello, I'm Yi Bang. I am from Association Hmong Students at UCLA.
Hey, my name is Lovey. I'm also from the same organization, Association Hmong Students for UCLA, and we are hosting the Friendship Games of 2015.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me.
Hey, my name is Samber Yang and I'm the president of HSA at UC Riverside. What I like best about the Friendship Game this year was we got to meet with not only the SoCal HSA org, but Sac State, Fresno State, and Northridge.
We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the place and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened.
I'm Yosho. My name is Diane Bang. I am currently a fourth year at UCSD. I am also the current president for our Hmong student organization in San Diego. One thing that I really enjoy about these Hmong students coming together for Friendship Games is just meeting everyone who's here, who has the same kind of interests you have. That's to be innovative.
A backless dress and some beat up sneaks. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me.
Hi, my name is Nancy Milla and I am from the University of California, Irvine. I am part of the Hmong Student Association and I am the president for the club. What I like best about Friendship Games is that we get to see all the other schools come out as well, and we get to network and just get in connection with them, because just being in Irvine, we only have like a small group of Hmong students and we only connect with those students. And so in order to, connect with other students, it's great to have this friendship game to bond and to just get to know each other through like games and icebreakers and activities, and so it won't feel like too awkward.
Hey everyone, my name is Zong Chang and I'm from Sacramento State College, and I'm from HUSA, Hmong University Student Association. Friendship Game is it's a great place to network, branch out your resources, and just meet new great people.
And that's Friendship Games, everyone.
If you guys are interested in learning more about Friendship Games, feel free to contact anybody you've seen in this video. Their contact information will be listed in the links below.
And until then, Shiri Doa.